The NSS unit of Government Higher Secondary School Chongkham is rendering their great service while cleaning up the temple premises of Buddhist temple Chongkham and the river that flows through the temple complex.
It's all neat and clean now. Hi Martha. Naveen Babu bhi aa gaya dekho.
Hi friends, now we can see the river and its banks where the volunteers of NSS unit of Government Higher Secondary School Chongkham have cleaned it very properly and made it more useful and more beneficial to the society. Of course, it is a matter of great appreciation as far as the deeds of the NSS units of Government Higher Secondary School Chongkham is concerned. Under the proper guidance of the NSS program officer Chowkham. You see, now we can see the river, the water is so clean and very much hygienic. Thank you for watching my video. Share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.